How can I make mdadm auto-assemble RAID after each boot? I successfully created a RAID, mirroring, by utilizing mdadm. However, I must run the following commands after each boot. What am I doing wrong / why do I need to run these commands at boot? What is the right way to auto-start RAID with each reboot?
NB, you either need to be logged in as root, or use sudo to do all this. Use your favorite editor to create or edit / etc / mdadm/mdadm.conference file as follows. If the file does not even exist, paste the following into the new, empty file. Save the file. Run the following command: add a reference to your array config at the end of the file. mdadm detail scan in gt semicolon in gt / etc /mdadm/mdadm.conference. This should add a line like the following to the end of mdadm.conference. Array /dev/md0 level equals RAID 5 num devices equals 3 metadata equals 00.90 UID equals A44 A52 E4:0211 E47 FF15 44:817 D167C. If the mdadm command has added any other stuff above the array line, remove it. For example, on one of my machines, the command returns mdadm, metadata format 00.90 unknown, ignored, before the array line. Your array should now auto-build on boot unless you can add an entry to / etc /stab to mount it, if it's not already there.
I realize this is an older question, but I had a frustrating time with this on the 32-bit version of Ubuntu Server 12.04. Running mdadm detail scan and gt semicolon and gt / etc /mdadm/mdadm.conference, appended the line. Array /dev/md0 metadata equals 1.2 name equals ubuntu:0 UID equals A8 A570 C6:96 F61865:05 AB131:5 C2 E2 F7E. After a reboot I could never see /dev/md0. Running the mdadm detail scan, again, without putting the result in a file, I would see array /dev/md/ubuntu:0 metadata equals 1.2 name equals ubuntu:0 UID equals A8 A570 C6:96 F61865:05 AB131:5 C2 E2 F7E. And manually mounting /dev/md/ubuntu:0 would work. In the end, that was what I put in the stab file too. I am not sure what I got wrong, if this is how it works in Ubuntu 12.04, or if this is a bad practice. Just wanted to share what worked for me.
I had this problem on my Raspberry Pi 2 running Raspbian new /Linux 8, Jesse. I had a RAID array on /dev/sda1 and /dev/sdb1 which failed to assemble at boot. I had in my /etc /mdadm/mdadm.conference file the entry. Your numbers will be different, see other answers on how to get this. I had in my /etc /stab file the entry. And of course /data indeed existed. Like the op, I could assemble and mount the RAID array by hand after boot, but I could not get it to happen automatically during boot despite apparently correctly setting it up. I was able to solve the problem as follows. I investigated the script at /etc/init.d/mdadm/raid and inserted a line of debug code. ls/dev and gt/home/pi/devices.txt. Rebooting and checking this file, I learned that devices/dev/sda/dev/sdb existed at the time the mdadm RAID initialization happened, but the partitions /dev/sda1 and /dev/sdb1 were missing. I edited the /etc/init.d/mdadm/raid file and inserted the line /pro. After the header, i.e. after the #end init info, but before the script begins. This caused the partitions to be detected, and so the mdadm RAID script was able to assemble the RAID array, resolving the problem. Hope this helps someone.
Now edit lines added to /etc/mdadm/mdadm.conference in the following way. Delete everything, but the basic parts. It should look like. Note, you can choose X and MDX to your convenience. Now reboot. Edit, command corrected.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.